what does it mean to obey your parents? And do you have to obey them in everything? Islam is a religion of balance. It does not tell you to be a robot. It does not tell you that you have no rights. So here we go. When are you not obliged to obey your parents? And parents should know this, and children. Number one, this is unanimous agreement among the scholars. Number one, when they tell you to do something that is a sin, they tell you to, for example, let's say you're driving and they say, actually that's harm, a sin. They say to you, for example, you're not allowed to wear the hijab. Don't wear the hijab. You don't obey them in that. They tell you don't pray. You don't obey them in that. They tell you, for example, you know that cousin of yours, we don't talk to them. Because we don't talk to them, you're not allowed to talk to them. No, you don't have to obey them in that. But you remain being dutiful and respectful to your parents, but you still don't obey them. Can you do that? Can you disobey your parents while still being respectful to them? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. I know a brother, he takes it like a sportsmanship style. What do I mean by sportsmanship style? Whenever his mum or dad get upset, he gets up, he hugs them, he smiles, goes, Wallah, I love you so much. I'm not going to listen to that, but I love you, mum and dad. And you know what? I'm going to do this. The way he approaches his parents, always with a smile, with this pampering, with his beautiful words. And if they do get really upset, he does sit down and he says, look, I know you're upset, mum and dad, but Wallah, I love you so much. I can't obey you this way because Allah told me I have to see my cousin. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala told me, but. Then he comes back, gets some gifts, and he just does not let them, they can't get upset with him. There's a way to approach, and if you can master that, wallahi, it works, inshallah.